What do you think about the Infinix Note 30 Pro and the Tecno Camon 20 Pro? Both phones have great design and are featured in their respective flagship series. In this video, I will explain all the similarities and differences between these phones. If you are looking to buy one of these phones, you might want to sit down and watch this video till the end. I will start with their similarities, but the first thing you should know is their prices. Camon 20 Pro is 155,000 Naira, but if you opt for the Note 30 Pro, you will have to add an extra 25,000 Naira, giving a total of 180,000 Naira. Since this Note 30 Pro is more expensive, we expect it to have the best features, or at least win in this comparison. Now, let's start with their similarities. Both phones are powered by the same CPU, the MediaTek Helio G99. By extension, it means that their performance will remain the same. They should have about the same speed. Both phones will hardly lag or overheat. Second, they run on the same Android version, Android 13. So they have the same interface, like when you pull down the quick settings, when you open the main setting, and when you open the app tray. Everything here is just similar. Third, they have the same battery capacity of 5,000 mAh. Since they have the same Helio G99 processor, battery drainage should also be about the same. Then the fourth similarity is their SIM module. It can accommodate 2 nano SIM cards and a memory card simultaneously. The fifth one is their display. Both phones feature an AMOLED display of 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution. While there might be some slight differences such as their display size, display brightness, and screen-to-body ratio, both displays are still in the same range. Finally, their storage space. We're talking about 256 GB of internal storage and 8 GB of memory. There are no other variants of different storage capacities, just this variant. They also have minor similarities such as their Type-C charging port, their dual speaker setup, and their 4G internet. But this is as far as we can go. Before I talk about their differences, please hit that subscribe button if you've not already done so. Also give this video a thumbs up so you can have a very nice dream tonight. The Note 20 Pro and Camon 20 Pro are different in 3 major areas: their design, charging ability, and camera quality. Let's take them one at a time. First, their design. Of the 3 differences between these phones, the design is the only one that is difficult to tell which one is better. Both phones have good designs, but the Note 30 looks too serious, like someone preparing for a war. Camon 20, with all the patterns at the back on the other hand, looks kind of too plain. Note 30 Pro has an elevated camera module that houses its cameras and flashlight. It is just plain for the Camon 20 Pro. They have 3 cameras each, but their design is so much different, though their curves and frames remain the same. Some have argued that the design of the Tecno Camon 20 Pro is better because of the pattern it has at the back. Others argue in favor of the Infinix Note 30 Pro, suggesting that it has a mature look. What do you think? Is the design of the 155K Tecno Camon 20 Pro better than the design of the 180K Infinix Note 30 Pro? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. The next difference is their charging ability. Right in their packaging box, the Tecno Camon 20 Pro comes with a 33-watt wired charger, while the Note 30 Pro comes with a 68-watt crazy fast wired charger. This 68-watt charger is twice as much as the 33-watt charger that came with the Camon 20. This is huge, and this is the first time that Infinix has attempted anything like this. The Infinix charger takes less than an hour to charge its battery from 0 to 100%. Tecno Camon 20 takes more than an hour. A one-on-one comparison of their charging ability will only end with one result, with Infinix being the winner. Also, the Infinix Note 30 comes with a 15-watt wireless charging pad that can conveniently charge the phone. It also supports reverse charging. None of these features are available in the Camon 20 Pro. Finally, their camera quality. Camon 20 has a 64 megapixel main camera and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The Note 30 Pro has even better cameras, a 108 megapixel main camera and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Comparing footage from both cameras show that the quality of the Note 30 is better. The camera of the Camon 20 Pro also has great quality. If it had come with a 50 megapixel sensor, the quality would also be commendable. So the 64 megapixel of the Camon 20 is not a bad deal. It only became bad market for the Camon 20 Pro with the arrival of the Infinix Note 30 Pro. With the Note 30 Pro, you get high resolution images that are very clear, sharp, and color balanced with a more natural feel. Note 30 Pro can record videos in 2K resolution, but the Camon 20 can't go beyond 1080p. With their video modes, you get very useful quality. Both cameras allow you to set a handful of customization before recording. You can adjust blur and facial features before you hit the record button. Finally, their selfie camera. Both of them have very good quality, but I will let you choose which one is better since they have the same 32 megapixel sensor. In conclusion, the extra 25,000 naira for the Infinix Note 30 Pro is worth it. It is offering a faster charger, wireless and reverse charging, and a better camera. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Click this video for the full review of the Tecno Camon 20 Pro, or click this video for the full review of the Infinix Note 30 Pro. Click any of them and you will see me there again.